Sia, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a cozy, warm, and absolutely delicious winter drink. Can you guess what it is? I'm going to be showing you how to make pumpkin spice latte with no coffee. You may be wondering, pumpkin spice latte? That sounds quite strange. Well, actually, once you try it, it is so delicious and you'll just want it every time it's feeling really cold and you just want a nice, lovely, warm drink. I recommend you watch my pumpkin puree video as this recipe contains pumpkin puree. Alright then, let's get started. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you'd like to see more videos from me, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as to click on the notification bell, because then you'll get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. Alright then, I will see you soon. Bye everyone!